This is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to learn how to expand binomial expressions using the identity for perfect squares of differences. So we want to expand the expression x minus 3 squared. And this is a perfect square of a difference. Okay, difference being an expression where we have a subtract in there. And we can use an identity to expand this expression. If we have two terms, a and b, that we're subtracting and squaring, so the square of a difference, we're going to have the first term squared minus 2 times the two terms plus the last term squared. So if we're simplifying the expression x minus 3 squared, our first term a is x in our equation, and the second term b is 3 in our expression. So when we simplify this, when we expand this out, using the rule, we're gonna have the first term squared. For us that's x. So we're gonna have x squared minus 2 times the first term, which was x, times the second term, which was 3, plus the last term, the second term, which is 3 squared. And we're going to simplify this expression, because that's a bit of an ugly expression to just leave sitting there. So this is going to become x squared, can't be simplified anymore, minus 2 times 3 gives us 6x, plus, and 3 squared is 9. So the expanded version of this expression is x squared minus 6x plus 9. And that is how we can expand binomial expressions using the identity for perfect squares when we have a difference inside of our bracket. Fantastic.